Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making cabbage with sausage and shrimp. Okay, so I started off with cutting up the onions and green peppers. Once I was done with that, I'm going to show you the sausage I'm using. I'm using a classic smoked sausage. I'm just going to cut that up into small pieces. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some bacon. I'm going to pour the bacon grease in the pot, add the bacon, onions, and green peppers. Okay, we're going to mix that up. Then we're going to be adding the sausage in and let it cook for a while. Now I'm just going to be adding my seasonings. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, now I'm just mixing the seasonings very well, and then I'm going to be cutting up the cabbage into small pieces. Okay, so once I'm done cutting the cabbage up, I went ahead and put it in the pot. Okay, so I'm going to put enough cabbage to fill up the pot. Then I'm going to put the top on it, let it cook. Once it cooked down, I added some more seasoning. Now that the cabbage is done, I went ahead and started the shrimp. So I added some butter in the pan. I'm adding the shrimp. I seasoned it. Now I'm adding some Old Bay on top. Okay, now that everything is done, I'm just going to be making my plate and I'll show you how it looks.